Do you suffer from brain fog? Do you have senior moments? Do you sometimes find it hard to remember someone's name? Have you ever lost your train of thought in the middle of a sentence? If so, you're not alone. Over 10 million people in the U.S. suffer from cognitive decline. And more than 50% of the senior population experiences some kind of memory loss. 99% of doctors consider cognitive deterioration normal, a condition that comes with age. People have been convinced that brain deterioration and memory loss are unavoidable and incurable. But it's not normal, and any brain deterioration or memory loss can be reversed. Memory loss has nothing to do with hereditary genes, fatigue, your immune system, or age. The problem, as recent clinical evidence shows, is backed by a dozen reports, some even published in the Harvard Medical School's journal, is an imbalance of free radicals and antioxidants in the body, which slowly, but surely, leads to cell and tissue damage, wreaking havoc in your brain and on your overall cognitive health. This video is to introduce you to David Clark, a Harvard graduate, with a 30-year career in neurochemistry. Working with Dr. David Roto, a former research scientist for one of the large pharmaceutical companies. They discovered exactly what's making mental abilities decline, how to stop it, and how to achieve perfect brain productivity. Then they formulated a scientifically proven all-natural method that can improve and repair your brain health and functions 100%. And give you back the sharp focus and perfect memory you once had. With absolutely no surreal mental efforts, expensive drugs, or crazy brain exercises. It's designed to repair mental sharpness and boost memory, in a matter of weeks. It took 7 years and hundreds of different combinations to reach the exact mix of a formula that works. Then it was tested on 270 volunteers to validate the formula. Within just a few weeks, 98% of the participants reported that they had experienced through-the-roof results regarding their cognitive functions. Then, with the help of over a dozen independent labs across 2 continents, the formula was tested on 3,200 women and men from 6 countries to make sure that positive results weren't limited to only a select group of people. So far, 96,300 men's and women's lives have been changed, and their memory restored. Click on the link in the description to view a video that goes into detail on their research, the root cause of cognitive decline, and their holistic natural solution.